Ready to upgrade your kitchen sink? In today's video, we're checking out 6 impressive drop-in kitchen sinks that combine practical design, durable materials, and useful features for everyday kitchen tasks. From spacious basins and workstation designs to quieter stainless steel, construction, and easy clean surfaces, each sink offers something different. We'll take a closer look at what makes each model stand out, so you can compare the options and decide which type best matches your kitchen, cooking style, and budget. Let's get right into our top 6 picks. Number 1, Kraus KHT 41033 Kitchen Sink. If you want a durable composite kitchen sink with a stylish appearance, this model is worth considering. It's made with a high percentage of quartz composite material, giving it a solid and durable construction designed for everyday kitchen use. The double bowl design makes multitasking easier. You can use one bowl for washing dishes while keeping the other available for rinsing or food preparation. The 2 bowls also have different depths, adding flexibility when handling different kitchen tasks. Its attractive design can complement a wide range of kitchen styles, while the smooth surface makes everyday cleaning easier. Overall, the Kraus KHT 41033 combines functionality, durability, and modern design in one package. Number 2, Ruvati RVH 8303. Next up is the Ruvati RVH 8303, a stylish top-mount workstation kitchen sink designed for homeowners who want more functionality from their sink. This model measures approximately 33 by 22 by 10 inches and is constructed from 16-gauge stainless steel. One of its standout features is the raised rim and integrated workstation ledges. These ledges allow compatible accessories to slide across the sink, helping you turn the sink area into a more useful workspace. It also includes soundproofing features designed to reduce noise and vibration when water is running or when dishes are placed inside the bowl. The sloped bottom and drainage grooves help direct water toward the drain and reduce standing water. It also features a standard 3.5-inch drain opening, making it compatible with many garbage disposal systems. If you want a large workstation sink with plenty of practical features, the Ruvati RVH 8303 is a strong option. Number 3, Sarlai 33-inch Kitchen Sink. This top-mount sink is made from 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, providing a strong construction designed for everyday use. The sink features tight radius corners that give it a modern appearance while making the interior easier to clean. Another useful feature is the X-shaped drainage design. The sloped bottom helps guide water toward the drain, reducing the chance of water remaining inside the bowl. The sink also includes sound-absorbing pads to help reduce vibration and noise from running water, dishes, and cookware. Integrated ledges on the front and back provide additional workspace and can be used with compatible accessories. So, if you're looking for a large stainless steel drop-in sink with a workstation-style design, the Sarlai is definitely worth a look. Number 4, Sun 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its versatile top-mount installation. It can be installed with a variety of countertop materials, including wood, laminate, solid surface, quartz, and granite, as long as the installation requirements are met. The sink is made from T304 stainless steel and is designed for durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. Its deep basin provides plenty of room for washing larger pots, pans, and dishes. The curved corners also make the interior easier to clean, while the sloped bottom helps improve water drainage. Soundproofing materials are included to help reduce noise and vibration during everyday use. And for additional peace of mind, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you want a straightforward, durable drop-in sink with a deep basin, this Sun model is worth considering. Number 5, Lordear 33-inch Kitchen Sink. This handmade-style stainless steel sink combines a modern appearance with practical features for everyday kitchen use. It uses 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, offering a strong construction design to resist rust and everyday wear. The rounded interior corners make the sink easier to clean and can provide more usable space compared with sharper corners. Another useful feature is the X-shaped drainage design. The sloped bottom helps move water toward the drain and reduces standing water inside the bowl. The sink also includes soundproofing materials to help minimize noise and vibration. If you're looking for a spacious stainless steel sink with a clean design and useful drainage features, the Lordear 33-inch model could be a good choice. Number 6. Kindred FBFS 602 NKIT. If you don't need a huge kitchen sink and want something smaller and more versatile, this model is designed for compact spaces. It features a single bowl design and can also work well in areas such as a bar, laundry room, or utility room. The sink is constructed from 22-gauge stainless steel and features sound-deadening material design to reduce noise and vibration. The approximately 6-inch bowl depth provides useful capacity while keeping the overall sink compact. Another convenient feature is that the kit includes a faucet and drain components, which can make installation more straightforward. Its drop-in design is also convenient for suitable countertop installations. So, if you're looking for a compact stainless steel sink for a smaller kitchen or utility space, the Kindred FBFS 602 NKIT is an option worth checking out. So, those are our 6 best drop-in kitchen sink picks. From the durable Kraus composite sink to the workstation-style Ruvati and Sarlai models, there's an option here for different kitchen sizes, designs, and budgets. Before buying, make sure you check the sink dimensions, cabinet requirements, faucet hole configuration, countertop cutout, drain compatibility, and included accessories. We've included links to the products mentioned in this video, so check the description for current pricing and availability. Which one would you choose for your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen product reviews, buying guides, and home improvement videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.